Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we'll take a quick look at the Bless project and how to participate in the testnet of this newly launched project, which went live on November 15th, 2024. This is a fresh project with many opportunities for early participants. What is Bless? Bless is the next DePIN project I want to introduce to you today. It is the world's first decentralized computing network project. The Bless network has just launched an incentivized testnet on Solana, allowing users to install and use Bless's Node extension on Google Chrome. This is a significant step forward, enabling users to contribute computing power to websites, services, and applications they interact with daily using their household devices. The system aggregates and used resources from your devices and nodes worldwide to enhance computational power for supporting AI projects and complex computational tasks. Bless aims to build an open and decentralized internet platform where users truly own and control how the network operates. The Bless project has successfully raised $8 million in funding across 3 rounds, attracting investors such as NGC Ventures, MH Ventures, Nalamet Holding, Duhales, M31 Capital, Interop, and Placid Capital. How to join the Bless testnet? Joining the Bless testnet is extremely simple. Just follow these 2 steps. Step 1. Visit the link provided. I've included the link in the comments section of this video. Then, install the Bless extension. Step 2. Register for the project using your Gmail account. Once registered, copy your referral link and share it with your friends to earn bonus points. It's that simple. This is a new project, so joining early gives you an edge for future rewards through airdrops. Good luck! If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality projects. Thank you very much.